Hey guys, let's talk about the sign. Please keep quiet during meetings. This sign usually uses paper-based multimodal text that is delivered with a combination of visual and gestural mode, which helps us to understand it very quickly. What's the message of this sign? This message serves as a reminder or request for people to maintain silence during meetings. It aims to create an environment conducive to concentration, productivity, and respect for those leading or participating in the meeting. What's its effectiveness? The effectiveness of this message depends on various factors, including the clarity of the communication, the context in which it's displayed, and the compliance of the audience. However, its effectiveness may diminish if it's not noticed, ignored, or if there's a lack of enforcement of the request.